Welcome back, everybody. Alright, so I've gone ahead and deleted out the link and the image, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an unordered list. So, as you can see here, we have a paragraph, and to make an unordered list, you need to type in the UL and the /UL. So, see, we do that and nothing happens because we have to add in a list item as well. So, you start off with the list tag, and then you give up the list item tag. So, li, and all it's going to be is we just say maybe item 1, and we have to close that off too. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this 3 times, so paste it, and then change up the images here just like this. Okay, you can type them out, and by the way, typing things out for practice purposes is actually really good. I'm just doing it to save a little bit of time in the videos. Okay, so now we have an unordered list, and you see that there's a little bullet there. And whenever you're prototyping, it's a good idea to go ahead and change everything so everything makes sense. So instead of saying this is an awesome paragraph, you can say this is an unordered list. Simple enough, okay? Now I'm going to copy this entire paragraph and list. I'm going to paste it in here. The next type of list is called an ordered list, and the only thing that changes is you change UL, which is unordered list, to OL, which is ordered list. And you see the difference here is that one is just simple bulleted items, and the other is simply 1, 2, 3. It's ordered. Simple enough. The last type of list is a definition list. And what these definition or description lists do is you, instead of typing OL, you type in DL. Okay, so let's go ahead and type this in. And the reason why I'm definitely typing this in is they're just a little bit different. Okay, so what you need here is you definitely need the two kinds of tag here. So the first one we'll type in is DT, and we'll say item 1, and then we'll go /DT. Okay. We'll hop over to the bottom here, and you can see there's nothing really special about that. All right, but the next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in DD, and we're going to say item 1 description. Okay, and here we go. We'll type in /DD like that. There we go. And so as you can see, we have the item 1 and then the item 1 description, and I'll paste this in a couple times. And we'll make this 2, 2, and then 3, and then 3. So there we go. We have item 1, and then item 1 description, item 2 description, item 3, and then item 3 description. All right, it's just that simple. So you have all these kinds of lists here, and you'll notice that for the first two, the unordered and ordered list, you'll see that there are list items, and these are the exact same tag, by the way. They just need to be nested within this here. And then the definition list, it changes up a bit. Okay, you can actually have a list within a list, which is kind of cool. So watch what happens if I type in, let's say we have an ordered list, and then I type in unordered list here, right? And you can see that instantly it changes. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to type in /UL here, and if we put in a list item, so like this, you can see that I can add in a list item just like this. And what I'm going to do is okay, there we go. So you can see that we have more items here to take a look at here. So we got 1, and then we can have a whole bunch of things too. And you can actually mix and match. One thing that's really good about HTML is that you can mix and match a lot of the stuff. In other programming languages, they're not as forgiving, and you can't really do that. All right, and that's lists. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.